back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make bindi gosht or okra meat. This vegetable has a unique consistency that can be very slimy. However, when cooked properly, okra isn't slimy, scary vegetable. It's a versatile ingredient that can take on a variety of tasty forms. It's simple and interesting. Adding okra to meat gives a nice crunch to the dish and each bite is delicious. So let's get started. For making this, I have taken 2 thinly sliced onions, oil around half a cup, 1 diced tomato, a few chopped green chilies and a small bunch of chopped coriander leaves, that's optional, 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of fennel seed powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Meat around half a kg and half kg of chopped okra and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now in a cooker I have heated up 1 tablespoon of oil and added cumin seeds. Once they start to crackle, then I have added ginger garlic paste and saute nicely. Then add sliced onions and fry them till they are soft. Once they are soft, add tomatoes. Mix properly and let them become soft. And once they are fried properly and turn soft, then add meat. Mix and let it fry for a while and then add salt. Keep stirring in between till meat is fried and changes its color. Once the meat is fried properly, add all the spices like chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, fennel seed powder and garam masala. Mix, fry it a bit and then add around 1 glass of water and cook up to 3 whistles. Going to okra now. In a pan I have heated up remaining oil and added okra to it on high heat. Here I would like to mention an important tip. If you raise a heap of frying okra, if the oil drops as slimy or as a lace, that means it's not fried properly, it's still slimy, as visible here. Once on lifting, the oil drops as droplets, not like a lace, that means it's fried properly, it's not slimy anymore. But remember not to over fry it because it will turn hard. Now the okra is fried properly, I'll take it out from the oil. Now going back to meat, it's cooked, I'll add coriander and chilies. You can skip chilies if you don't want it to be too spicy. I'll keep it on high flame so that its gravy is absorbed. So once very less gravy is left, we will add fried okra to it. This stage you can check for salt also and adjust according to your taste, and cook for 5 minutes on medium to high heat. So after 5 minutes, very less gravy is left. It's almost sticking to the pan. So I'll turn off the flame and dish it out. This okra and meat dish can be served with rice or roti. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.